Here at Brickworks, we are committed to creating beautiful products that last forever. Innovation and sustainability is at the core of everything we do. Our brick and concrete products promote energy-efficient designs by giving buildings thermal mass. The thermal battery qualities of bricks help deliver significant reductions in the heating and cooling loads of buildings. But sustainability doesn't stop with our products. Brickworks has continued to invest in alternative fuels, manufacturing consolidation, equipment upgrades, and operational improvements. This has driven a general downward trend in carbon emissions, with a 45% decrease compared to the base year 2005-06, Scope 1 and 2. Over the financial year 2021, biofuels contributed 13% of our Australian energy requirements. By transitioning to landfill gas at Horsley Park, we emit up to 10 times less carbon than would be otherwise released by burning natural gas. By using waste sawdust from local mills in Longford, Tasmania, we have achieved the first carbon-neutral range of bricks, our Daniel Robertson range. Our global kiln refurbishment program will drive energy efficiency beyond international benchmarks, forming the basis of our commitment to increase gas efficiency by 10% at Austral Bricks plants by 2030. At Brickworks, we are committed to a more sustainable future for our earth, society, cities, customers, people, and investors by creating beautiful and sustainable products that last forever.